Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Data Science with our Programming. Lecture 6, Statistics for Data Science 2. Module 5, Statistics for Data Science 2 covers advanced statistical techniques and their application in data science using the R programming language. Topics may include 1. Probability distributions, understanding and working with various probability distributions such as normal, binomial, Poisson, etc., and their applications in modeling real-world phenomena. 2. Hypothesis testing, learning hypothesis testing techniques including z-tests, t-tests, chi-square tests, ANOVA, etc., for making inferences about population parameters based on sample data. 3. Regression analysis, exploring regression techniques such as linear regression, logistic regression, polynomial regression, etc., for modeling the relationship between variables and making predictions. 4. ANOVA, analysis of variance, understanding ANOVA techniques for comparing means across multiple groups and identifying if there are significant differences among them. 5. Nonparametric methods, introduction to nonparametric statistical methods such as Wilcoxon signed rank test, Mann-Whitney U-test, Kruskal-Wallis test, etc., for analyzing data when assumptions of parametric tests are violated. 6. Time series analysis, introduction to time series analysis techniques for analyzing and forecasting time-dependent data using methods like ARIMA, auto-regressive integrated moving average, models. 7. Multivariate analysis, exploring techniques like principal component analysis, PCA, factor analysis, cluster analysis, etc., for analyzing datasets with multiple variables and identifying patterns and relationships among them. 8. Resampling methods, learning resampling techniques such as bootstrapping and cross-validation for estimating the sampling distribution of a statistic and assessing the performance of predictive models.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.